Hi friends, as we discussed today, I'm going to give about what we are going to learn in the Spring Framework chapters. So before going to that, uh, whoever watching first time, please subscribe my channel. Lot of videos are coming based on Spring. I am starting all Spring concept and Spring Framework, why Spring Framework, like that videos in coming future. So please subscribe my channel. So what we are going to cover, I will discuss in this video. We'll go one by one. So first we'll discuss about the Spring Framework, why Spring Framework, and related Spring modules and Spring features. So we will cover most of the thing in the Spring Framework. Next, we'll go to the dependency injection part. Next, what is Spring dependency injection? What is the IOC controller, inversion of controller? What is IOC container? So, and Spring Bean scope, and later we'll go with the Spring annotation part also. Next, we'll coming to the Spring Boot. Next, why Spring Boot is popular? Why we need to use Spring Boot rather than Spring? So, Spring Boot application architecture, Spring Boot annotations, and examples. All those things we will cover in the Spring Boot chapter. Next, microservices. So, evolution towards microservices, understanding about microservices, building microservice with Spring Boot, and related examples. All those things we'll deeply discuss in the microservices chapter. So next thing is advanced Spring Boot. Like we have so many features in the Spring Boot. Like we will cover properties, logging, and actuator thing in the advanced Spring Boot concepts, and also in the Spring Boot. So many modules are there, right? So Spring Data, Spring Cloud, Spring Reactive. So Spring Reactive also we will cover in this one, and related examples. See, with the live examples, I will cover all those things in the Spring Boot chapter. So please subscribe to get more videos, and thanks for watching.